Live from HSD News. Breaking news. We just found out how cool manufacturing is. Our crew investigator G.W. Becker. Since 1980, G.W. Becker Inc. has been the leader in the overhead crane industry. Family owned and operated, they have grown from a local parts supplier to a full-service provider, offering a comprehensive range of overhead crane solutions across North America. Their dedication to quality, safety, and customer satisfaction sets them apart as a premier partner for material handling needs.
Here is our reporter, Cassidy, with the sales department at G.W. Becker.
I am the sales manager here at G.W. Becker.
Do you enjoy your job?
Most days I do, yes.
How long have you worked your job? Sure.
6 years.
What qualifications do you need for this job?
For my job, I guess I needed a lot of experience in sales and in sales management before I came to work. I have a Bachelor of Science in Economics from Allegheny College in Meadville.
Once they make a sale, then it has to go to the engineering department.
I'm a mechanical engineer.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I do enjoy my job. I've been at this job for about 2.5 years now.
What qualifications do you need for this job?
Qualifications for this job, mechanical engineering degree to start, a little bit of experience, and some curiosity and desire to design some of the stuff like this.
Now interviewing Charles Petrandria.
I'm a machinist. I have an associate degree in machine technology.
What's your favorite part of your job?
I just enjoy getting to pull out a good-looking part, and I know it's going to be used for something that's important down the road.
We learned how cool manufacturing is at G.W. Becker.